I'm going to talk about punishments that are available at summary hearing. I've previously produced a video about punishments that are available at court-martial, and I've also previously produced a video about JSP 830. JSP 830 is the Manual of Service Law, divided into 3 separate volumes. Volume 1 concerns summary hearing, the powers of the commanding officer, and looking particularly at chapters 13 and 14 of JSP 830, one can find the information related to sentencing powers available to a commanding officer. So every military individual who has been charged with an offence has the opportunity, should they so wish, to elect court-martial. There are advantages and disadvantages of electing court-martial, but assuming for the purposes of this video that the individual accepts the commanding officer's jurisdiction, so does not elect court-martial, it is important then to know what sentencing powers are available at summary hearing. Remember, both conviction and sentence can be appealed to the summary appeal court. So if an individual decides to accept their commanding officer's jurisdiction and either they plead guilty and are dissatisfied with the sentence, or plead not guilty and are convicted by their commanding officer, they have the automatic right to appeal both conviction and sentence, or either conviction or sentence, to the summary appeal court. So to consider the sentences that are available at the commanding officer's hearing, the sentences are these. 1. Detention, but only if the offender is of or below the rank or rank of leading rate, lance corporal or lance bombardier, or corporal in the RAF, excluding the RAF regiment. B. A service supervision and punishment order, but this is only available to able rates, Marines, soldiers or airmen. C. Forfeiture of seniority, but this is only available to officers. D. Reduction in rank or disrating, but this is only available to warrant officers or non-commissioned officers. E. A fine. F. A severe reprimand or a reprimand. G. A service compensation order. And in addition, the following minor punishments may also be awarded. H. Stoppage of leave, but only available to those below the rank of rate or warrant officer. I. Restriction of privileges, but only available to able rates, Marines, soldiers, airmen and Army officer cadets. And J. An admonition. So those are the powers of sentence available to a commanding officer at summary hearing. Notably absent from that list, of course, is imprisonment. Only a court-martial can give a sentence of imprisonment. A commanding officer's summary hearing can give a sentence of detention to MCTC, but cannot give a sentence of imprisonment. Likewise, cannot give a sentence of dismissal with disgrace or dismissal from Her Majesty's Armed Forces. So those are the sentencing powers available at summary hearing. Of course, if an individual wishes to appeal the sentence or the conviction, they have the automatic right to appeal both conviction and or sentence to the summary appeal court.